today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anchor links on Elementor, a fantastic tool that allows you to build dynamic web pages with ease. If you're looking to improve the navigation experience on your site and guide your visitors directly to where you want them to be, you're in the right place. So, let's dive into the process and explore how to make your web page even more user-friendly with anchor links. First, we'll begin by making sure you're in your WordPress dashboard and Elementor has been installed and activated. Once that's ready, navigate over to your pages and select the page you wish to edit, opening it with Elementor. This fantastic tool provides a visual editor, making it easier to see changes as they're being made. Now, it's crucial to choose or create the section you want your anchor link to point to. Whether it's a particular part of your About page or a feature on a product page, this will become the destination for your link. Inside the Elementor editor, click on the section you've chosen, and on the left side panel, you'll see the option to edit section settings. This is where the magic happens. Look for the field labeled CSS ID and enter a unique, descriptive name that identifies this section. This ID is the anchor you'll use to link to this section. Moving on, let's create the actual link that will use the anchor. Choose a text block, button, or any element you wish to serve as your link. When you've selected it, look toward the left side panel again under the link section. You'll want to input your anchor link in the format of a hash symbol followed by the CSS ID you've just set. For example, if your CSS ID is About Section, your link should be About Section. This tells your web page that when clicked, this link should navigate directly to the section you identified with that ID. Previewing changes is always a good habit before publishing. It gives you the opportunity to make sure everything is working as expected. Click on the preview button at the bottom, and there you have it, your anchor link is set up. Finally, feel free to add as many anchor links as needed to improve navigation throughout your content. When used effectively, this feature can be a powerful addition to your website, significantly enhancing user experience and potentially increasing engagement. Remember, a well-structured site isn't just about looks. Functionality is equally paramount. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Now go ahead and try implementing those anchor links on your own website. With practice, you'll be a pro in no time. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. Thank you for watching, and see you next time for more web design tips.